National Weather Service in Milwaukee-Sullivan has issued a tornado warning for northwestern Waukesha County in southeastern Wisconsin, southern Dodge County in southeastern Wisconsin, northeastern Jefferson County in southeastern Wisconsin, until 9:45 p.m. At 9:15 p.m., a confirmed large and extremely dangerous tornado was located near Waukesha Lake, or 15 miles northwest of Waukesha, moving southwest at 35 miles an hour. This is a particularly dangerous situation for Waukesha. Take cover now. Hazard, damaging tornado. Source, radar confirmed tornado. Impact, you are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely, and complete destruction is possible. Locations impacted include Johnson Creek, Concord, and Uxonia. This includes the following highways: Interstate 94 between mile markers 251 and 267. To repeat, a large, extremely dangerous and potentially deadly tornado is on the ground. To protect your life, take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself.